Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add the MetaMask extension to the MetaMask browser. MetaMask is a fast, secure, and extension-supported Web3 mobile browser, making it ideal for decentralized applications. MetaMask serves as your essential crypto wallet, allowing you to securely manage digital assets and interact with the blockchain. We will cover the simple steps to get MetaMask installed and ready for use on your MetaMask browser, ensuring a smooth Web3 experience. To begin, open your MetaMask browser on your device. Look for the extensions icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a puzzle piece, and tap it. From there, you will find an option to discover more extensions, which will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. Once in the store, use the search bar to find MetaMask. Ensure you select the official extension, then click Add to Chrome to initiate the installation process. Once MetaMask is installed, open the extension from your browser's toolbar. You will then have 2 options: either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. If creating a new wallet, carefully write down your 12-word secret recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is crucial for recovering your funds. Finally, set a strong, unique password for everyday access to your wallet. With MetaMask successfully set up, you can now easily access it via the extension icon in your MetaMask browser. When you visit a decentralized application, or DApp, you will be prompted to connect your MetaMask wallet. This allows you to approve transactions, sign messages, and manage your digital assets directly within the browser. Enjoy exploring the vast and exciting world of Web3 with your secure MetaMask wallet on MetaMask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.